Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ali. I hope you're all doing well and are staying safe. So today I want to share a TrollBeads haul with you guys, and it's actually two separate orders, one from the beginning of March and one from the end of March. So let's get into it. The first thing I did was I purchased this glass beads kit. This is from the spring collection, and this is called the Wisdom Kit. And so I love all these beads, and I knew I wanted all of them. And the advantage of buying through a whole kit instead of each bead separately is that when you buy the whole kit, this has 6 beads. I only paid for 5 of them. The 6th bead is free when you're buying all of them together. So I thought that was a good deal since I knew I wanted to get all of them. And as you can see, these are faceted. I love the faceting on them. I love the glitter going on in all of them. So let's go through them one by one. So this is the first one, and this is called the Sense bead, and it has this beautiful olive tone to it with tons of glitter and a few white lines running through it, as you can see. Really pretty. Then next is another very olive bead, and this one is called the Universal bead. I love the glitter, and the faceting makes them shine so much. Next is this one, and this one looks a lot like the Northern Lights bead that they came out with. I was actually my very first bead from TrollBeads. This is called the Perception bead, and it has this really deep dark blue base with greens and browns, and you can see the glitter. And I'm actually am I wearing, yes, I'm wearing the Northern Lights bead right here. So do you see how close they are? I'll show you later, but yeah. So that's the Perception bead. And then you have this one, and this is called the Choice bead, and it has blues and greens and white and some glitter. Really love this kit. Next one is this, and this is called the Attention bead, and again it has blues and greens, kind of aqua, and again glitter, and then the last bead is this one, and this is called the Holistic bead, and this is more of a turquoise with glitter like this one. It's very similar to this. This is turquoise and this is olive. And so this is the kit. I love this kit. It's so pretty. I love the colors, and for spring, and even for, I think, when fall rolls around, this one would be a really pretty kit to design with. So yeah, so that's the Wisdom kit that I got. And since March is my birth month, I was eligible to get the birthday bead, and so I bought this one, or I got this one actually. So to get the birthday bead, all you have to do is, in your birthday month, you have to spend $250 or more in a single transaction, and you're eligible to get a birthday bead. So this is the birthday bead for this year, 2021, and it's very Like the design is the same as the previous year's birthday beads. It's just a different colorway, and so this is more browns and off whites. Last year's was purple, which I love, which I was lucky enough to get in January because my sister helped me to get it because it was her birthday that month. And so yeah, I'm very, very excited to have this. This is faceted again, and I love it. So yeah, that's the birthday bead, and I'm very excited to get that. And as luck would have it, the day that I was getting this stuff, TrollBeads was running a promo where if you spend, I don't remember how much it was, there was a minimum spend. I really don't remember. Maybe it was like $150 or was it $200? I don't remember. But if you had that minimum spend, they were giving a silver bead for free, and the bead they were giving out was this one, and this is called, I think, Cake Form. And as you can see, it just it looks like a bundt cake pan, and this is the end of it. You see the hallmark there, and this has the ridging on the outside. And so yeah, I got that that as well. And I know that this is supposed to be like a cake, you know, a cake pan bead, but it actually looks very nice at the end of bracelets or on top of a bead on a fantasy necklace. I actually have it on a bracelet design, and it's at the very end, and I didn't want to take it off, so I'm just showing it to you on the bracelet. But I got this one for free as well with this transaction. So that was my first transaction. Now the second one, I did another, so TrollBeads stores, all the TrollBeads physical stores here in the US, they had a customer appreciation event where they had a bunch of promos running. They had, if you bought a gemstone, you got the second one at 50% off. They had buy a lock and get the foxtail chain for free. They had buy a bangle, get stoppers for free. They had buy 4, get 1 free. And I think that was it. And then they had like raffles in the store. They had, you know, refreshments, and it was an event. It ran for like 4 days, I think. And so I'm lucky enough to have a store, you know, in the city nearby where I live. So I was lucky enough to be able to go in. And so I took advantage of the promos that they had. And so the first thing I bought is a gemstone, and this is the new bead that they came out with for Father's Day. And this is called the Natural Gray Quartz. And as you can see, it has these gray tones. It's very pretty, and you know, the light is actually not really helping to show how beautiful this bead is, but it has this dark gray kind of base with flecks of darker gray and black, and it really shines. Let me show you the sides. That's what sold me on this bead. But look at the side, you guys. Do you see how beautiful this is? All that glitter. I love how much this bead glitters. It's so beautiful. Look at that. I love the inclusions. I love the coloration. It also has some waning with a little bit of brown going through it. If you can see it. I know it's hard to see, but in person you can actually see it much better. Maybe you can see it now. It goes from grays to kind of hints of brown. It's really pretty. I love it. I think it's going to be a very nice neutral bead to design with. And then since I got this one, I could get another gemstone for 50% off. So I went with the gray moonstone bead. Again, love this one. Look at that beautiful flash on this. It's so pretty. I love I love when beads have that flash. I love the inclusions and the differences in the color, the variations. It's so hard to go and try and pick one bead out of so many beautiful ones. But yeah, so this was one purchase. So I got these two gemstones. The next thing I got is a pair of pearls, and as you can see, these are the pink pearls. I've always wanted pearls. I know the light is kind of shining on it, um, but these are really light pink, and I want to eventually get the white ones and the peacock pearls as well. So I'm glad I got to pick these in person as well, because they vary in size because they are natural. So um, I tried to get ones that went together the best I could find. And so that's the second one. So again, I got one full price and the other one was 50% off. So it's basically 25% off. And then since this was an event, my store, this which is TrollBeads at Willow Bend here in Texas, they had some event beads, and so I really loved the event bead from this year. And this is it, and you can see the very light pink and black with the glitter going through it. And if you can see, this is faceted, but the faceting is actually different from the regular faceting. So let me show you. So here you go. You can see the faceting on this one is kind of in a diamond shape. I don't know if you can see that. But the faceting on this one is more rectangular facets on it instead of the diamond that you see on regular troll beads. So that's how this one is different. And it's really pretty. Now I'm regretting not getting another one of this one. I would have loved a pair, but I'm very happy that I got to actually get buy the event bead, because you can only get these at stores if you attend an event. So yeah, very happy I could get that. And since it was an event, if you went in store, because they were doing virtual appointments too, but since I went into the store, they actually gave me a free gift, and it is this leather bracelet. I've never seen this kind of a leather bracelet before, and they gave me a unique to go with it. Now this unique actually is a universal unique, as in the core on this is bigger, so it will actually fit your Pandora bracelets. Most troll beads don't, because the core is smaller, but this is the unique. It's really pretty. I love the buttery color of it with with the flowers, and it's really pretty. And this leather bracelet, how you wear it is you have this slit on one end, and you put the other end of your bracelet in, you tighten it around your wrist, and then apparently you just knot it. And that's what I was told to do. I haven't really worn it, so I'm not sure how it looks and how it feels, but essentially that's how you're supposed to wear this. I don't know if I'm going to wear it or not, but I'll definitely use this beautiful unique in my bracelet designs. So yeah, that was my haul from TrollBeads. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Do you collect troll beads? If you do, I would love to know if you have a store near you and you could participate in the appreciation event that they had going on, and if you did, what did you get? I would love to know. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.